Welcome to day 3 of our Boracay trip. Last na to, promise. Uunahan ko na kayo, today was weird. But before we get to that, let me show you the breakfast buffet for today. Fish escabeche, ang super sarap na chicken longanisa, burger steak, buttered vegetables, and pancit bihon. And these are what I got. Sabi sa inyo may weird today kasi nakalimutan kong i-film na meron ding champorado and calamansi juice. But everything else was the same. But overall, I have to say masarap ang breakfast dito sa Hue. Usually after breakfast, we would already go out to the beach and play volleyball. But today we decided not to. We just wanted to stay in and rest. So sabi ko this is the perfect time to shoot content for Luwinyo. Abangan nyo na lang yan sa page ng Luwinyo. And bumili rin kayo. After that, we went back to the room. I squeezed in a little time for editing. Pero pagdating ng 11, natulog na rin kami. We woke up past 1 and were greeted by a gloomy weather with a little bit of drizzle. Ang arte ng drizzle. So akala namin ganito na yung panahon the entire day, but we were wrong. Nanghiram pa kami ng pink na payong. Lakas mga Disney princess. For some reason, we were craving yung mga lutong bahay. So we went here sa Jasper's Tapsilog and Resto. This is located along the highway before D-Mall. So legit na para siyang karinderya. Although hindi siya kasing mura ng mga basic karinderya. I ordered their barbecue, Paul got boppies and pochero. May second floor sila so maraming upuan. Medyo masikip nga lang yung layout. Medyo matigas yung karne ng barbecue pero malasa naman. Masarap din yung pochero and yung boppies. So ngayon, tirik na tirik naman yung araw. After lunch, nag-crave naman akong magkape. And nadaan na namin tong Purple K, Purple Kai. Kayo nang bahala. It's a Korean cafe na very aesthetic. We ordered their bestseller which was the Dolce Latte for 200 pesos and I have to say masarap. Lahat na lang ng kinain masarap pero promise na enjoy ko to. Creamy siya pero malalasahan mo pa rin yung coffee. So tumambay muna kami ni Paul dito for a while. So after this, bumalik lang kami ng hotel to freshen up and get our stuff. And as you can see, nakapayong na naman si Paul kasi umuulan na naman. Pero bigla ring mawawala tapos aaraw. Parang may kinakasal na tipaklong. O diba, galit na naman si Mr. Sun. So naghanap na kami ng lugar kung saan kami pupwesto at maglalaro. Tapos umulan na naman. At dahil maulan, grabe ang grass sa beach. Nung time na to, medyo lumalakas na yung patak ng ulan. Tapos nakita nga namin na sobrang cloudy na. So nag-decide kami na sumilong muna and bumili ulit ng shake from Jonas. At syempre pa habang bumibili tayo ng shake ay umaraw ulit. Sabi sa inyo may mali sa araw na to. So nilaban na nga namin. Bahala na kung umulan ulit. So we found our spot underneath this tree and mukhang sure naman na hindi uulan. So shumat muna tayo ng melon shake tapos mag-volleyball. Medyo maaga pa kaya matagal-tagal kaming nakapaglaro. Yung